Hi, this is Dr. Vivek and today I'm going to talk about the oils. No, I'm not going to talk about the hair oils or the edible oils. I want to talk about the essential oils. Yes, I talk a lot about the hair oils, but in this, let's talk about the essential ones. I will discuss two oils for the dry skin and two oils for the acne prone skin. And yes, I will share with you how to use these oils for the dry skin and for the acne also. So first, let's try to understand what are essential oils. Basically, an essential oil is a plant extracted derivative from the different parts of a plant, such as flowers, leaves, fruits, seeds, roots, etc. Essential oils are becoming very popular due to their numerous positive health benefits, both for external as well as internal body. So if you have dry skin or oily or acne prone skin, please don't worry, because these essential oils which I am going to today discuss with you will surely provide you very good improvement in your skin related issues. So let's get started. So first is about the dry skin. So the first one is chamomile oil. So here are some of the benefits. It contains an organic compound called azulene, which effectively moisturizes the skin and reduces the inflammation. It smoothens and calms the skin. It reduces the skin redness or the irritations also. And also it helps in itchings also, and even in treating the acne scars, eczema, and even hyperpigmentations, or you can say the dark spots also. So lots of benefits. How to use it? Take 2 to 3 drops of this oil and mix it with a carrier oil such as almond oil, coconut oil, etc., and apply it on your face and neck. Another way to use it is add 1 to 2 drops of oil on your body lotion or a moisturizer and apply it on your skin. You can also add chamomile oil with the carrier oil such as coconut oil or the sweet almond oil, and can add this to your warm bath water also if you have the dry skin. Now let's move towards the second oil. This is lavender oil. This is very good for the dry skin. Why I'm saying so? First of all, it's very commonly used for treating the dry skin and related problems. Some of its important benefits which I would like to discuss over here are: the first is it naturally hydrates the skin and repairs the dry skin without making it too greasy. Due to its anti-inflammatory and anti-fungus properties, it heals and soothes the redness and irritated skin. It also clears your skin and treats psoriasis. This is very important, and plus it reduces the wrinkles. What else do you want from this? It also is a very effective antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, so that's why it helps to heal the burns or the bug bite. How to use it? The same way as chamomile oil. Mix 2 to 3 drops of it with the carrier oils, and you can just apply it, or you can add few drops in the moisturizer cream or the sunscreen even, and can apply it. So now let's move forward. Before talking about the oily and the acne prone skin, I would like to make it clear that only external supplementation cannot treat your oily and acne prone skin. Hence, for the sake of getting rid of acne, you will also have to take some precautions in your daily life, such as avoid oily and spicy food, avoid consumption of alcohol, wash your face frequently, have a proper sleep, and drink enough water. This is very important. So now let's discuss about the two best essential oils. So the first essential oil is, yes, it's going to be the tea tree oil. It is widely used for the treatment of acne and oily skin and a wide range of skin issues. I have myself said in many of my videos. It has anti-inflammatory as well as antimicrobial properties. Thus, it is effective in treating mild to moderate acne. It reduces the redness, swelling, and irritation also. It also have antiseptic properties, so it can soothe the itching. It also gives you smooth and clear skin. Additionally, it helps in treating dry skin or eczema, skin tags, or even in the chickenpox also it can help you. So how to use it? Let's talk about the acne if a person is having acne, how to use tea tree oil. Very simple, just take 1 drop of it and apply it directly on the area having acne or pimples, as you can say. Just apply it over there, that's all. The another way is to take 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil and mix it with few drops of witch hazel and apply this on the affected area of the skin with a cotton ball or a cotton wool twice a day. Now if a person is having acne in the body, now how to use it? Very simple, just dilute few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil such as sunflower oil, jojoba oil or sweet almond oil, etc., and add this to the bathing water. When you take the bath, just add this to this water and it will help a bit. The second oil that I would like to discuss for the acne prone skin is rosemary oil. These are some of its important benefits. It reduces the excessive oil production and has antiseptic properties. That's why it will help in acne, because reduces the excessive oil production. Due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it is much effective against the acne. Being a stimulant, the rosemary oil improves the circulation, which means it reduces the puffiness as it removes excessive water from the skin. Also gives anti-aging properties and protects your skin from the environmental damage. Now, how to use this oil? Also very simple, take 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil and mix it with a few drops of a natural carrier oil as jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, etc., and apply to a freshly washed face with a cotton ball daily. This is what you have to do. At night will be the best time. You can also mix 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil in some aloe vera gel and apply it. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it with the water. Do this daily. Both the things, do at night, just rinse it, and this will help you. Just want to give a short note. You must do the skin patch test before using any of the essential oil to ensure that it suits your skin or not. This is very important. The carrier oils which you will use to dilute the essential oil should be chosen according to your skin type, which suits you the best. Use that one. Always make sure that the brand that you are using for the essential oils, they are providing you the genuine and the good products. If you are not sure about this, I'll just put some link down in the description box below. You can just have a look. Either these are available all over the world, you can just have a look to the nearby store. If you are confused a bit, then the links are in the description box. So these were some very beneficial essential oil that I love to discuss with you. Choose any one of them according to your skin type and involve it in your daily skincare routine. I assure you that you will get the best result out of it. I hope this video was informative and beneficial for you. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family. See you all in the next video. Till then, don't forget to smile, stay happy, stay healthy.